At the outset, wish you all very, very happy Diwali. Diwali is one festival. I mean, out of so many other fascinating festivals celebrated in India, Diwali is very close to the people who are into learning and sharing, because we believe that if we can enable ourselves, can enable our inner light to light so brightly that others can see their path out of the dark. So we need to continue outshining, outperforming within ourselves, basically between you and yourself. So when you lead by inspiring examples, it will be your near and dear ones or the people who really love you. It may click to them that it's like a gentle, soft, subtle reminder for themselves, because everybody knows everything today because of the internet. The candle which is lit and is able to lit other candles, its own age doesn't get diminished. Neither its aura, is lowered down. We lit so many candles. With one lit candle, you will see the overall aura of the room actually gets much enhanced, and that's what the objective of life is basically. So we can't afford to live a very constipated life when it comes to learning and sharing. We need to share with open heart, open mind, open arms. I keep saying that it's not the nuclear arms, but clear arms that can bring peace in the world. That's my personal perspective. In fact, I don't want to comment on that because it's debatable and it may vary from situation to situation. But so today, on this very auspicious occasion of Diwali, if I may pick up one of my favorite authors and very influential public speakers of his time. I remember two decades ago, I had attended a couple of his programs, live programs. Shiv Khera, ladies and gentlemen, Shiv Khera. Who will forget his bestseller in India and outside, You Can Win. And this new book, You Can Achieve More. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, all the genders with beyond geographies and beyond ecologies, you can achieve more. You can achieve more. If you want to stand out, then you need to do something outstanding. That's what on the backside Shiv Khera mentions about. A person with a positive attitude cannot be stopped, and a person with a negative attitude cannot be helped. He puts it very straight. No mumbo jumbo. Both success and failure have a limited lifespan. That's what it says. I mean, nothing is permanent over here. Success is neither a miracle nor a mystery. It does not depend upon special skills, formal education, or superior intelligence. It is a nature outcome of consistently applying certain principles on ongoing basis. That's basically consistency. The ultimate goal is to sustain success and eliminate failures. Failures are integral part of life. But then you learn from it, and then you keep moving ahead. That's what Rocky Balboa says, Acquiring facts is knowledge. Now this is important. Acquiring facts is knowledge. Understanding facts is comprehension, and the proper application of facts is wisdom. The principles in this book can help you to live by design, not by default. Live by design. You have to create. Otherwise, like if you think that everything will be taken care of by the supreme energy, that doesn't happen. You see, when you look at even at the birds, they have been given the skill, natural instinct to build the nest. But God doesn't throw food directly in the nest, or maybe in the beak of a bird. Bird has to go out, do hard work, and earn that food. So gain confidence and optimize your potential. Become proactive and develop a winning attitude. Balance your health, wealth, and relationship. Overcome day-to-day problems and make better decisions. Make positive choices and avoid pitfalls. The secret to meaningful life is in your hand. Through inspiring ideas and basic value, this book will help empower you to achieve more and become unstoppable. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, all the genders, let me go through the content of the book. What are the contents of this book? Because you know that I'm not a spoiler. I don't want to become a spoiler. The contents are: 1. A win-win attitude 2, life is funny, let's get started. 3, gist of life. 4, the wisdom of truth. 5th is mind your mind. 6 is invest in yourself. 7, making of a winner. Then keep it up. Valuation change, values don't. Very important. Valuations change, values don't. And choose character. He is emphasizing a lot in this book about the character, and I do believe in that, because it said that now if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. But if your character is lost, everything is lost. And you see, we are living in digital era, the social media. It takes no time. It takes no time to, at the speed of life. Your character is at stake. So you need to be very careful that what you are posting on social media, that doesn't stop you to express your creativity and so on and so forth. I mean, the hobby, that's fine, but we need to refrain from posting on social media like sensitive stuff that which can create a little bit of hate or violence. So take ownership, tame your time, be proactive, make it happen, make decisions, leave a legacy. At the end, when you leave planet Earth, then people know what kind of legacy you want to leave behind. Is it all about materialistic things, or you like to be an inspiring example of embodying love throughout your life, so that people, when they think of you, rather feel of you, they get inspired. Shiv Khera is talking about, how do I read this book, and he says, go slow, don't jump the guns, let it get soaked, immersed in your mind, your heart, in your soul, and let it become an action. So he's emphasizing a lot on action plan. You need to have an action, and I keep reiterating the same thing in my training programs, that vision is very important, but action is more important. Vision without action has no meaning. It's just a daydream, and if you don't take an action, then it's like there is no difference between you and your photograph hung on the wall, right? So he says 3 important points. He says, if you face any problem in life, any challenge thrown on you, okay, then you have to say, number 1 thing, I'm stronger than you. Number 2, I shall overcome you. And number 3, and this too shall pass. So nothing is permanent over here. That doesn't mean that you're not going to give a shot. I keep saying that if life is short, you need to continue giving your best shot. Design action plan is there. It's really amazing. Write down the 3 things you commit to do, enhance your self-esteem. Write down 3 areas where you need to practice self-control to achieve more. Write down 3 areas where you need to be more consistent in order to achieve more. Amazing book, because Shiv Khera, by then, when he authored this book, You Can Win, and now, and I'm sure Shiv Khera, when I glimpse through this book, I think he has evolved a lot. Yeah. So let's make this festival really a festival of love and light. Right? So wish you all very, very happy Diwali. Take care. Bye-bye.